Hello, little friends. Welcome back to our fun alphabet adventure. Today, we are going to learn about a fantastic letter. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's the letter F. F is the sixth letter of the alphabet, and it starts so many fun words. Let's learn the interesting new words that starts with alphabet F. A flamingo is a tall, pink bird with long legs and a long neck. They often stand on one leg and are known for their bright pink color, which comes from the food they eat, like shrimp. Flamingos live in large groups near lakes and lagoons. They have special beaks that help them filter food from the water. Flamingos are graceful and can be seen wading in shallow water. When you see the letter F, think of the flamingo, a beautiful and unique bird that stands out with its pink feathers and long legs. A fox is a small, clever animal with a bushy tail and pointed ears. They usually have red or brown fur, though some foxes can be gray or white. Foxes are known for being smart and quick, often seen sneaking through forests or fields. They eat a variety of foods like fruits, insects, and small animals. Foxes live in dens and are most active at dawn and dusk. When you see the letter F, think of the fox, a sly and curious animal that is skilled at finding food and adapting to different environments. A falcon is a fast, powerful bird of prey known for its incredible speed and sharp vision. They have pointed wings and a hooked beak, perfect for hunting other birds and small animals. Falcons can fly very high and dive at astonishing speeds to catch their prey. They are found all over the world and are often trained by people for a sport called falconry. Falcons have excellent eyesight, allowing them to spot their prey from far away. When you see the letter F, think of the falcon, a swift and skilled bird that soars through the sky with grace and precision. A frog is a small, amphibious animal that lives both in water and on land. Frogs have smooth, moist skin, long legs for jumping, and webbed feet for swimming. They are known for their croaking sounds and big, bulging eyes. Frogs start their lives as tadpoles in the water before growing legs and becoming adults. They eat insects and other small creatures. Frogs come in many colors and can be found in ponds, forests, and gardens. When you see the letter F, think of the frog, a hopping and croaking creature that loves both water and land. A fish is a water-dwelling animal that breathes through gills and has fins for swimming. Fish come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. They live in oceans, rivers, lakes, and ponds. Some fish, like goldfish, are kept as pets, while others, like salmon and tuna, are found in the wild. Fish eat a variety of foods, from plants to smaller fish. They lay eggs and can often be seen swimming in schools. When you see the letter F, think of the fish, a fascinating creature that glides through the water with ease and grace. A fly is a small insect with 2 wings and large eyes. Flies are known for their quick flight and ability to land almost anywhere. They have tiny hairs on their bodies and legs that help them taste and feel things. Flies eat a variety of foods, often found near garbage or decaying matter. They can be annoying when they buzz around, but they also play an important role in nature by helping break down waste. When you see the letter F, think of the fly, a tiny and fast insect that's always on the move. A fan is a machine that helps keep you cool by blowing air around. It has blades that spin quickly to move the air, making a room feel cooler on hot days. Fans come in different shapes and sizes, like desk fans or big ceiling fans. You can turn a fan on and off using a switch or remote control. They are very useful in summer and can help you stay comfortable. When you see the letter F, think of the fan, a helpful device that makes the air feel fresh and breezy. A fork is a kitchen tool used to help you eat food. It has a handle and usually 4 long, pointed prongs. You use the prongs to pick up or hold food on your plate, making it easier to eat. Forks are often used with knives and spoons during meals. They come in different sizes and designs, depending on what you are eating. For example, there are special forks for salads and desserts. When you see the letter F, think of the fork, a handy utensil that helps you enjoy your meals by making it easier to pick up and eat your food. A freezer is a special part of a refrigerator that keeps food very cold. It has a door that you open to store items like ice cream, frozen fruits, and vegetables. The freezer works by making the inside very cold, so your food stays fresh and doesn't spoil. It is like a chilly room where you can keep things frozen for a long time. When you want to make ice cubes or store frozen treats, you use the freezer. When you see the letter F, think of the freezer, a cool place that helps keep your favorite frozen foods ready to enjoy. A frying pan is a kitchen tool used for cooking food. It is round with a flat bottom and usually has a handle. You place it on the stove to heat up, and then you can cook things like eggs, pancakes, and vegetables. The frying pan gets hot, so you need to be careful when using it. It's great for frying, sauteing, and browning food. Some frying pans have a non-stick surface, which helps keep the food from sticking. When you see the letter F, think of the frying pan, a useful tool that helps you cook tasty meals. A floor lamp is a tall light that stands on the floor. It has a base that keeps it steady, a long pole, and a light at the top. You can turn it on and off with a switch or a dimmer to make the room bright or soft. Floor lamps are great for reading or playing games because they give extra light where you need it. They come in different shapes and styles, and you can find them in living rooms, bedrooms, and offices. When you see the letter F, think of the floor lamp, a bright and handy light that brightens up your space. A faucet is a special tool that helps you get water from a sink. It has a handle or lever that you turn to make the water flow. When you twist the handle, water comes out so you can wash your hands, brush your teeth, or fill a glass. Faucets are usually found in the kitchen and bathroom. Some faucets can also control how hot or cold the water is. When you see the letter F, think of the faucet, a useful device that lets you control the water for all your washing and cleaning needs. A feather duster is a cleaning tool used to dust and clean surfaces. It has a handle with soft feathers or fibers attached to the end. You use it by gently sweeping it over furniture, shelves, and other surfaces to remove dust and dirt. The feathers catch the dust so it doesn't just spread around. Feather dusters are great for reaching high places and cleaning delicate items. When you see the letter F, think of the feather duster, a handy tool that helps keep your home clean and dust-free by gently sweeping away dust and dirt. A footstool is a small, low piece of furniture you use to rest your feet. It's like a little step or cushion that you place in front of a chair or sofa. When you sit down, you can put your feet on the footstool to feel more comfortable and relaxed. Footstools can be soft and padded, or they can be made of wood or other materials. They help you keep your feet up and make sitting more cozy. When you see the letter F, think of the footstool, a helpful piece of furniture that makes resting and relaxing easier. French fries are a popular and tasty food made from potatoes. They are cut into long, thin pieces and then cooked in hot oil until they are crispy and golden brown. French fries are usually served with ketchup or other dipping sauces. They are often eaten as a side dish with burgers, chicken nuggets, or sandwiches. You can find them at restaurants, fast food places, and sometimes even at home. When you see the letter F, think of French fries, a delicious treat that is crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Fried chicken is a yummy food made from chicken pieces that are coated in a special breading and then cooked in hot oil. This makes the outside crispy and golden brown while keeping the inside juicy and tender. Fried chicken is often enjoyed with sides like mashed potatoes, corn, or biscuits. It's a popular dish at picnics and family dinners. When you see the letter F, think of fried chicken, a delicious meal that's crispy on the outside and tasty on the inside, perfect for a fun and tasty treat. Fish and chips is a popular meal made of two main parts. The fish is a piece of fish that is coated in a crispy batter and fried until it's golden brown. The chips are thick, chunky pieces of potatoes, also fried to be crispy on the outside and soft inside. This meal is often served with a side of ketchup or vinegar. Fish and chips is enjoyed by many people around the world, especially at special dinners. When you see the letter F, think of fish and chips, a tasty meal with crispy fish and yummy fries. Fruit salad is a delicious dish made by mixing different kinds of fresh fruits. It can include fruits like apples, bananas, grapes, oranges, and strawberries, all chopped into bite-sized pieces. Sometimes, a little bit of honey or a squeeze of lemon is added to make it taste even better. Fruit salad is colorful and full of vitamins that are good for your health. It's perfect as a snack or a sweet treat. When you see the letter F, think of fruit salad, a tasty and healthy mix of colorful fruits that's fun to eat and good for you. Flan is a sweet and creamy dessert that looks like a soft, caramel-colored pudding. It's made from eggs, milk, and sugar, cooked together to create a smooth, silky treat. Flan has a layer of caramel sauce on top that makes it extra yummy. When you cut into it, you'll find the delicious, jiggly custard underneath. It's often served chilled and is a favorite dessert in many countries. When you see the letter F, think of flan, a delightful and tasty treat that's smooth and sweet, perfect for a special dessert. French toast is a yummy breakfast treat made from bread dipped in a mixture of eggs and milk, then cooked on a pan. The bread becomes golden and crispy on the outside, and soft on the inside. It's often enjoyed with sweet toppings like syrup, fruit, or powdered sugar. French toast starts with the letter F, which sounds like F. So, When you think of French toast, remember the letter F and how it helps to make this tasty breakfast. A fedora is a cool hat that people wear. It's usually made of soft fabric and has a wide brim that helps shade your face from the sun. The top of the hat is shaped like a dome, and it often has a band around it. Fedoras start with the letter F, which sounds like F. When you see a fedora, think of the letter F and how it helps make this stylish hat. Fedoras are fun to wear and can make anyone look extra special. Flip-flops are fun and easy to wear shoes for warm weather. They have a flat sole and a strap that goes between your toes, holding the shoe on your foot. Flip-flops start with the letter F, which sounds like F. When you put on flip-flops, your feet feel cool and comfy. They're great for the beach or playing outside. So, when you think of flip-flops, remember the letter F and how it helps make these simple, colorful shoes perfect for sunny days. A forklift is a big, helpful machine used to lift and move heavy things. It has two long forks at the front that can pick up boxes and other items. The forklift drives around with these forks and helps lift stuff up high or lower it down. Forklifts start with the letter F, which sounds like F. They are like strong robots that make moving heavy things much easier. When you think of a forklift, remember the letter F and how this amazing machine helps people do their work. A farm tractor is a big, powerful vehicle used on farms. It has large wheels and can pull heavy tools or trailers to help with farming tasks. Tractors help plant seeds, plow fields, and move things around the farm. They start with the letter T, which sounds like T. When you see a farm tractor, think of the letter T and how this strong machine helps farmers grow food and take care of their land. Farm tractors are very important for making sure we have plenty of delicious fruits and vegetables to eat.